All right, guys, so check it out. We bought this cooktop to resell, and it has some burn marks around the burners, just like a lot of glass cooktops. Water boils over, something spills out, and it actually burns into the cooktop itself. So today we're actually going to try and get this stuff off so we can get some pictures of it and list it. And all we're using is, I put some baking soda, and I would have used white vinegar if I had it, but I didn't. So I just put some baking soda and some apple cider vinegar and mixed it into a paste. I'm going to put this all over the burn marks. Try to rub it in. Probably should be wearing gloves, but my wife says it's all natural, so it's not going to hurt me. But we'll just do that. I'll try and dry this stuff off my hands, and then I'm going to take a razor blade and try to scrape it. I think this is going to be the fastest way. When you're doing this, make sure you don't turn the razor blade on its side either way, or you could scratch the surface. But as long as you keep it flush, and you can see the black stuff coming off. It's pulling all the burn marks off of it. I'll go ahead and clean the whole thing off, but you can see right there, it pulled all the burnt marks off of it, so it should work pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and coat the whole thing, and we'll clean it up, and then I'll show it to you. All right, guys, so halfway done. Check it out. It looks pretty good. All the burn marks are off of it. I did one side of it over here. You can see there's a couple little scratches. That was just from use. Like I said, you have to be careful when you're with the razor blade. You don't want to turn it up on a side so the edge will dig into. But I think this is just from uses of pots and pans. It's not for me, actually, and it's kind of hard to see in the camera. It wasn't for me using the razor blade on it. You could feel the razor blade, it'd catch on the edges where the burn marks are, and you could watch it actually peel them off. So that's it. We'll finish this this other side here, and do one last clean. I probably should put some kind of glass cleaner on top of it to clean the whole thing once it's done, and go from there. But it looks good. It'll turn out really nice. It's looking like it's in really good shape. So all right, guys, final step for me. I will use some Windex on it since it's glass. I don't know if you're supposed to use this or not, but the streaks, there were some streaks on it from the baking soda or vinegar. I have no idea which one it was, but for me, I'm just going to clean the thing off with Windex and see if I can get rid of all the streaks. There we go. Streaks are drying up and it looks good. Now it's ready for some pictures, and we'll see if we can get it on eBay and get it sold.